Hello, today I'm gonna show you guys how to fix a snowblower one star. This is a Toyo, you can see there. Even last year I emptied the gas and I put a new gas in. Still not start. I think what happened is the carburetor gum up. Lots of gum in there. So you see the carburetor under the job. Under the job there, the carburetor. Just unscrew this screw, take it up, lose the screw out, and spray this kind of thing there. You see, gum out small engine. You can get this in Canadian Tire about like $7 or $8. Unscrew this screw out and spray this thing in the hole and like 4 or 5 spray, and then leave it like 10 minutes and try to start. It will work. And again, try this product, gum out small engine. You can get this in Canadian Tire about $8. Give it a try before you bring to the shop. This save you about like $200. I just fixed it with my snowblower. Good luck. Bye. Remember, unscrew this screw and spray this gum out inside the hole there, 4 or 5 spray. And the carburetor is under the choke. Under the choke. Turn this up. Right here, the carburetor, unscrew this and spray the gum out in there like 4 or 5 spray and leave it for 10 minutes.